Ndị nwe na-ege m ntị ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata asị m ka onye chee nya zere na okwu a ji ebe bụ okwu Simon Ekparema nke nọ Finland na-edeceive ndị Igbo anyị ka ha na-eme ihe a na-akwesịghị ime. ESN bụ a very good agenda ewepụta for safe keep of life and properties na ala Igbo anyị regarding mgbe ndị Fulani chọrọ ịbịa ka take over ala Igbo anyị, which no one ever supported very very well. But ndị mmadụ ekwezi enebata anya na ESN has been hijacked. The main ESN ewepụta ka ha na-echekwa ndị Igbo abụọzi ha nwa nọkịta. Ọ bụghịzi ha nwa bụ ihe nọkịta. Ihe nọkịta wụ government sponsored thugs under the disguise of IPOB and ESN because they have been hijacked by our own fellow Igbo people because ndị ihe na-eme ihe a bụ ndị Igbo anyị kwa. The main original people ha na-ekwesị ịdị na impose all these things na-eme ka Igbo na-achị na Igbo anyị anọzi ya. Simon Ekparema n'obodo oyibo na-enforce ihe a na-enforce nka na-enforce nka. How many of those people na-eme enforce ka ọma physically? How many of the commanders ka ọma? How many of ndị niile na-asị na ha bụ unknown gunmen gịnị mgbe ha pụtara mgbe ESN pụtara ọfụ unknown gunmen ka a na-akpọ ha. Onye bụ isi nwanne akpọ ya unknown gunmen. Terrorists na-agagharị, political sponsored terrorists supported by Simon Ekparema nke nọ Finland. Onye ji njasị eme nka, foolish people na-eso ya na-asị ka eme nka ka eme nka. People have been passing through a lot na Igbo anyị ebe onye mahụ, especially ndị nọ na street. Most of ndị na-support Simon Ekparema n'obodo oyibo, mana vidio ahụ nọ n'akụkụ ebe anọnwa na-ekwukwa the same thing na-ekwu against Simon. Ihe ọ na-eme is a good plan, but he is using government hijacked political thugs, all unknown government, all in the name of ESN. ESN the few. If ebe ha rụrụ ọrụ ihe ama na ha rụrụ ọrụ, but ihe jụrụ ala Igbo anyị 80% of ihe jụrụ ala Igbo anyị kịta but these political sponsored thugs in the name of unknown government. ESN ọ na-egbu mmadụ ibe ha. Mgbe ESN pụta ọfụ ha pụta ha chụkpuchie ndị mmadụ n'ime. ESN na-agba moto ọkụ, ESN na-agba ngwongwo ndị mmadụ ọkụ, all because ha hijack the nke wele wepụtara ndị Igbo ajọ afa. Igbo anonwe the man na-egbu ya na-asị na ndị Igbo adịghị secured. Nke bụ na government we are quick to sign up na ESN bụ terrorist group, mana ha sign Boko Haram as a terrorist group. What does that tell you? Because the people wepụta ESN apụtago in the main ESN na zuo ike, then political sponsor talks na alụzi ọlụ kịta. Same thing mgbe bakasị. So na-emekene video akụnụ ghọta ebe okwu m na-aga.
Good morning, guys. Nigerian people can be very, very funny, you know. First of all, Simon Ekpa friends have adopted the name. Hey, I don't have money. Don't ask me for anything. Get out. We'll go up and down. They ask people for money. I don't have. And it's disturbing my video. Every time you go they beg for me. Now so you go come beg for me and they work there for the country. Come they disturb my video. So going back to the Sian, look at him. Now so you go stand they ask money for motor. So back to what I was saying. Simon Ekpa has been labeled autopilot in the past, and he adopted the autopilot name. Now they have just dropped the autopilot name and they accept this Ekparema of a thing. Anyway, but that's not the issue here. Now, what I'm trying to say here is this: Nigerian people can be very funny. We've left what we are supposed to be agitating on, or what we are supposed to be complaining to the government about. We are facing the cloud. Yesterday, the Igbo, or can I say the Igbo politicians and Igbo leaders, some few of them went to the streets of Abuja, okay, Finland embassy yesterday. They went to Finland embassy to protest and against Simon Ekpa at the Finland embassy. And I'm expecting them this morning. There's nothing wrong. You have gone to protest in front of Finland embassy that Simon Ekpa should be arrested, right? We've forgotten that Simon Ekpa has submitted his own memorandum to this country. Before he starts agitating, Simon has gone to the parliament. He has gone to talk to the government that I want to fight for my people. And the government of Finland welcome him like, okay, Simon is also a politician in Finland. He was also a serving and reserve soldier, okay? Simon is a reserve soldier and is a serving soldier. Remember abroad, anybody who serve the government, they respect him so much. And I also want those who lead the team to Finland embassy should also go to Aso Rock and lead the team to Aso Rock and tell the government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, as you go to Finland embassy, don't forget to go to Aso Rock and tell the government that in Enugu there are RDP camps there in Enugu. In Ebonyi State yesterday, a priest was kidnapped in Ebonyi State yesterday. All these things, we leave the originality and we are chasing cloud. Simon Ekpa is too much for these people. Seriously, they never know that Simon Ekpa is just like a mathematician. You cannot solve his mathematics. You cannot solve him. Do you understand me? Arresting Simon Ekpa will not solve the problem. The only way of solving the problem is talk on how to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are chasing cloud. And I also want to pass message to those who went to Finland to protest right in front of Simon Ekpa's house and also submit their petition. I want you guys to go back to Finland. As you go back to Finland, go to a Nigerian embassy in Finland and protest that same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you are claiming to be fighting for should be released. All of you that went from Canada, from Italy or whatever, all of una we gather. As una gather, so gather una self back to Finland. Then go to Finland, Nigerian embassy in Finland, and protest that your brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released. And I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be happy. See, we chase the cloud. This guy is just too much. The guy is just too much. Whatever you say against him, what he do is just go. He's going to copy it and go and play it for you. It's just too much for you guys. You cannot solve his mathematics. That's just the problem. Nobody, you people cannot solve his mathematics. Me, self, where we say I support him, I use my platform support him. Sometimes when things like this are going on, I just look, say, what's next? What's next? He doesn't care. He doesn't shake. He not even the shake at all. He doesn't shake at all. So if we are all claiming that we are fighting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, both sides, let's show us now. Almost see noise everywhere. Go back to Finland. Go back to Finland. Nigerian embassy is in Finland. Go and complain. Upon all the atrocities, the killing and kidnapping in the whole Nigeria, kidnapping and killing by the so-called Boko Haram and ISWAP, you've never seen any of those politicians, Nigerian Igbos. Igbo people are my problem. Small Igbo, big small Igbo, small problem. Big Igbo, big problem. I'm not going to dispute that some atrocities are happening in Southeast. Some people are using IPOB to commit crime. That's true. There's no peace in Southeast. How do you solve these puzzles? Solving the puzzle is not about Simon. Even if you arrest Simon today, have you arrested the guns? The guns are in the hands of the people who may not be fighting for IPOB, who may not actually fighting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are just using that name to commit crime. And these same people are buying guns and give to the youth to hunt for their own brother. This gun is still going back. I mean, the people you are giving guns, they are going to turn into criminal tomorrow. These people don't know how to solve puzzles. I'm sorry. The only way is you should focus on how to release that man, the man who is locked up innocently. That protest yesterday, you should have taken yourself to DSS. Take the team to DSS office and say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released. As soon as go that Finland embassy, so should you go to Aso Rock. Why are we Igbo fooling ourselves? We too they fool ourselves. Oh. Seriously, I've always said this. A wise man who died at the backyard of a foolish man is the most foolish. We are not ashamed to go to Finland, the whole Igbo land. You are going to Finland embassy and begin to cry like babies. One small guy in Finland, you call Simon Ekpa, arrest him, arrest him, arrest him. But why is Simon agitating? He's agitating because of his brother locked up there. And before Simon went into agitation in full, he went to the government of Finland to submit. He went there to submit his papers. He told them, I want to fight for my people. And I believe they are not stupid. I believe they are not stupid. They know there's a problem in Biafra land. They all know this. They all know this, that there's a problem. These people are not stupid. It's a citizen. Okay, it's causing the mayhem in Southeast and all that. Okay, how can you stop the mayhem? The only way is to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Allow the guy to come and speak. Allow him to come and speak. 99% of these people are supporting him. Let us stop all this killing of our youth. Because those who know they support IPOB, they are practicing criminal out there. Those who claim that they are supporting IPOB, they are also causing mayhem. Our youth are dying. There's no doubt about that. There's no doubt about that. The youth are dying. The criminals are using that. They are using IPOB as an excuse. There's no doubt that we want peace. We were there abroad, we know if it come home. We know if it come home. We can't come home. People are afraid to come home. That's the truth. The only solution is bring out the young Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sit down on the table and talk like a man. Don't go gallivanting up and down. You say, make person come beat my pikin. Make I come the look. Now you make me look stupid. No matter the crime where my pikin go commit, I go still vex. But I go still draw that pikin. Say, my son, I'm sorry. I want you to be a changed man. You for not do like this, you for do like this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not God. He's just a human. And human make mistake. He may have made mistake in some other ways that affect the government. Fine. Simon Ekpa is not God at the same time. We are all human. We made mistake. The government is not perfect either. Is the government perfect? No. Nobody is perfect. No country is perfect. No human being is ever perfect. But we always claim we are perfect. None of them, their children, are going to tell you that all those people that they went to Finland embassy, their children never commit crime. None of them will go to police station and say, come and arrest my son. He's a criminal. Okay? So the only way to solve this thing, please, let us focus on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released and acquitted, just like the courts have claimed. It's a slap on Igbo face, as that man is still there in that dungeon. And me, I talk him every time. Say, if anything, do that man. Many of una go carry una bag. Now that time they go come the loot in our house, no matter how many soldiers we go get. I'm telling you about, I'm saying about the future. It is the future. Because the gun is already there. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I'm not here to cause problem, and I don't make video to cause problem. But I so much believe in Simon Ekpa. My spirit, make I tell you now something. You see, I'm not saying every other people are bad. You get person where his spirit they accept in life. There are people your spirit accept, even if you don't know them. I don't know Simon Ekpa in person, or I know him through his words and social media, and I believe he's fighting in the cause of Biafra. I believe he's real. If you don't believe it's real, it is your right to believe it's not real. Until I see, make it shame me. I want him to shame me. I want to see him to shame me. I want to see all those atrocities they say he committed. Let me see them. And I will apologize for following him. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu that all of us are saying we are following. Is he not making a mistake? Of course, he may have made some mistake too. But if Simon Ekpa is exploiting the people, I want to see. I know they fear him now. Not be say we they fear him now. Not be say people where they follow and they fear him. They trusted him. If your wife respects you for house, not be say your wife they fear you. He just respect you because you're a man. The guy is a mathematics we cannot solve. Yet, I believe in his cause, his loud and his speech. I just believe in him. If I don't believe in any other person, it's not a problem. And I don't believe that Simon Ekpa is there to overthrow Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, as some people may claim that, oh, Simon is there, he's taking over from Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. But he said it all the time. Listen, I am not here to overtake Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is still my leader. They think arresting Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is going to solve the issue of agitation. But God brought someone else. And he was even more brutal. He's more outspoken, louder. I'm not saying Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is not speaking louder, but this guy too is crazy. He's crazy into the craze for head. Just like Mazin Nnamdi Kanu said that all of us we are mad people. You know? So let us fight for the cause of releasing Mazin Nnamdi Kanu and leave Simon Ekpa alone. Thank you very much. God bless you.
When the man again to come nakuna fushana video because he hindi go to people are being harassed daily. Na nearby. I'm one of my friend mepe shop na nearby. Onazi mepe up be the business of boys batana shop here, all in the name of gidi. Is Yoshi, a boy unknown gunmen. My own blood brother can hijacking Nuzo. Tango na hebu na kosha yuhoji hancha unknown gunmen. Wa vigilante no kwa na Igbo kiyo obodo vigilante ya anọ na ya, anti-court anọlụ na ya, USN anọlụ na ya, unknown gunmen kana operate. All these things were 4 million. On that Haiti na vigilante group, we the same group other group no unknown gunmen. We the same group and they use made this kind of destruction and no Allah enforce law of sit at home. When they come when the law of sit at home man on you na radio, na announce on the internet, everybody may adhere to it. Mgbe hijack this thing ke bi gbagwa ngwa ha ndị mmadụ ọkụ moto ọbụla afọlụ gịnị emezi na onye nwunye ya nọzi emergency that 1 week nwere ike nwunye gị n'ọrụ labor that 1 week si na emanje bije nwunye gị n'ọgwụ kwuru no incident nwoke mere na nwunye ya nwụchara nwa tata the following day bi Monday ka ọ gbapụgo gotelu ụmụ nwunye ya mmekọ SMA gold ka na ka na-enye ụmụazị PPPP agba ha egbe mgbọtụ nwoke nwa mụrụ ọfụ afọ papa ya nwaanyị nka mụrụ nwa ọfụ eka recover chabere sit at home because I hijack the mindset of people. They think they are fighting for Nnamdi Kanu while they are bringing bad name and bad image to Ndi Igbo. Why other big businessmen na Igbo anaghị etinyebeghị ọnụ? Because onye tinye ọnụ maka ndị ọjọọ anụnwa akpụrụ ya. Simon nọ n'obodo Igbo ya na-ata. O nwere ka esi eme ya na-ata. Nnamdi Kanu kwugidere okwu mgbe ikwu ijide ọ nata to show that he's a fearless lion. Ọ nata ndị Igbo anwụ ya chịlịachi n'aka gọọmenti. Mgbe na gị na-aba amụhụ na Nnamdi Kanu na-abata Nigeria, ọ ndị nọ close to him mana ọ na-abata. Ka nwụrụ ya tie na gọọmenti. Ọ nweghị onye n'udu news until ebido break ya small. Nnamdi Kanu anọgo n'aka ndị police for 24 hours before eme ya announce na ejide gị ya. Ndị mmadụ mara ihe kwuchakwa m ka ọha m n'ọnụ ka anyị nwere mgbe ọzọ.